today we're going to be making butter and buttermilk. So I'm starting off with some cooking cream. This is a liter container of cooking cream. I use about 2/3 of the container. I wanted to save some for something else that I was making later on that day. So you're going to just put that in your mixer. I'll put some links to some really good mixers in the description box below. So you're going to put this on a low setting and you're just going to beat it until it starts turning kind of thick and creamy. And then when it gets to that other stage where it's creamy, then you're going to turn it up to about medium and just keep mixing it until you get to where the butter is separating from the buttermilk, like so. So you want to scrape all of that on the sides and make sure you got all the butter mixed in and everything to where it's all separated. It's going to look a little chunky and everything, but that's okay. We're going to fix that. So what you're going to do is you're going to strain the buttermilk off of the butter like this. And that's your buttermilk. You got buttermilk right there. So you make two things out of one container of cream. So you just want to strain that really well into the container. You can use it for later. I used it. I made biscuits with it. I made some other stuff with the buttermilk. So you get a 2-for-1. And you want to press the butter down and get all of the liquid out. Make sure you get all that buttermilk out of your butter there. So you're just going to press it down, and you can tell when you got most of the liquid out, but it's still quite a bit of liquid in there. So you want to just take your time and mash all of the butter down and get all of the buttermilk that you can get. Again, you can save that for later. You can make biscuits. You can do whatever you want with the buttermilk, but you have buttermilk and you have butter. And there is your butter and buttermilk right there. So now I'm getting an ice bath for the butter, just some icy water, and you want to kind of put the butter in there and rinse it off, and that helps solidify the butter, kind of cools it down so you can mold it into the shape that you want to mold it into. And I just took some cling wrap and put the butter in there and just molded it to the shape that I wanted. Popped it in the refrigerator, and it was ready to use in a couple hours. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, we'll be in country in another country. Peace.